Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the brand new MX Mechanical Mini for Mac. This is from the Master Series by Logitech, and it is compatible with the iPad OS. So this is their color scheme for the iOS devices, and if you can get close to it in here, they've reduced the noise quite a bit for Mac users. That's what they asked Logitech for. Now in comparison, this is the MX Mechanical Mini with clicky keys, also from Logitech. And this, as you can hear, with the clicky keys is a lot louder. And then we'll go back to the Mac one. So if you're working from home several days a week and you want to bring this to the office or just use this at home, a lot quieter. And then the MX Mechanical Mini regular version that comes with a what they call bolt connector. It's a USB-A bolt connector. Mac users also said they didn't like having to use an adapter like this that's USB-A and get a converter because most laptops are USB-C to use the keyboard. So this one is just Bluetooth. And what's also great is it can connect to 3 devices, and you can switch between a Mac, an iMac, a iPad, or an iPhone. You can do all these devices and they'll each individually be connected. Now it does come with a charging cable, and then up here is the charging spot right there, USB-C, and the on and off button. It's also backlit, and as you can see, it's ready to pair right now with the first device. So it turns on its Bluetooth, it shows up in your Bluetooth menu, and you connect. So with non-clicky keys, you can make sure that people that are around you while you're working from home are not being disturbed by your constant typing. This is compatible with the iPad, and this is the MX Mechanical Mini for Mac. It's a brand new keyboard, and it's from the Master Series by Logitech. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.